Rust-proof aluminum tension pole extends up to an 8-foot ceiling height. Fits floor-to-ceiling or bathtub-to-ceiling applications. Stainless steel spring provides strong tension hold. 4 durable, fully adjustable and self-draining ABS shelves. 2 shelves have integrated storage hooks. Install in minutes without tools. Accommodates the Clear Choice 3-corner fit shower dispenser. 4 strong, self-draining adjustable ABS shelves. Bring a modern twist to bathroom organization with the TWIST Toilet Caddy. Modern sculptural. This decorative toilet paper storage solution is made of durable steel in chrome-plated or matte black powder-coated finishes. Conveniently store up to 3 jumbo tissue rolls in reserve and 1 in use. In 1991, Better Living Products began manufacturing and marketing the world's finest assortment in bathroom organization products. With distribution to more than 70 countries and through leading retailers everywhere, Better Living products are available virtually anywhere around the world. With world-leading product designs and superior customer service, Better Living has won a succession of awards throughout North America and beyond. Top reviews from the United States. Absolutely excellent. I ordered and received my second shower caddy because I loved the first so much. I am an older gal and have been through my share of shower caddies. This one is surprisingly lightweight but sturdy. It looks like it has a good coating on it that's not going to peel or rust anytime soon. The little shelves are plastic so they aren't going to rust for sure. My first one was for a tub-to-ceiling, this second one was for a floor-to-ceiling shower stall. It was pretty easy to put together, but you need to pay attention and be mindful about what you're doing. The shelves will not droop if you attach them properly. I was a little wiser about it the second time around, made sure my pole junctions were going the right direction to not gather moisture. Anyway, I highly recommend this product. I have little doubt it's going to last a good long time.